I'm Ellaretha Coleman, and I am the founder of Atlanta Family Law Group, located in downtown Atlanta. I chose family law because, unfortunately, my parents got divorced when I was in college. It had all of the messy things you don't want to see in a divorce, a frivolous TPO filing. My dad got put out of the house unlawfully, and it really tore our family apart. My dad's relationship with my siblings never fully recovered, and I wanted to do family law in a way that protected people from having to go through a divorce in that manner. I don't believe that divorce should have to scorch the earth. I don't believe that people should lose their relationships with their children when they're going through a separation. So that's why we've chosen to focus exclusively on family law. I started my own law firm because I really wanted to be able to stay in control of the types of clients that we wanted to help. Here at Atlanta Family Law Group, we have a vision of helping 10,000 fathers in the next 10 years solidify their relationships with their children. The only way that I was really going to be able to do that is to be the owner and founder of a family law firm focused on exactly that goal, helping dads stay dads even after a divorce or a romantic breakup. One of the most difficult parts of owning my own firm is that, unfortunately, we can't help everyone. We have to be selective in the clients that we are able to take on so that we can do the best job for them. Because, like everyone else, we only have the same amount of hours in a week. We only have the same amount of resources with staffing. So that's the most difficult part, is that we can't help everyone who could probably benefit from this type of advocacy for dads. The most rewarding part of having my own firm is really being able to see the results in the way that we're able to change people's lives. The thing that gets me up in the morning and it gets me out of bed is being able to see my clients accomplish their goals. When I can help a dad get primary custody or get joint physical custody or be more than a weekend dad and protect their assets after a divorce, those are the things that get my juices flowing. I met Jayden through another firm owner who was already working with Jayden, who she had spoke very highly of their working relationship. And we went to a dinner, and I knew that he was going to be the type of accountant that I needed to work with because he played zero games. He was very direct and talked about the things that, are really important for law firm owners. Are your books clean? Is your accounting practices clean? Are you really looking at those numbers on a regular basis to know exactly what you're doing in the business instead of going on feelings? So when I met Jayden, I knew pretty soon after the conversation that he was going to be able to take me to the next level that I really wanted to go. In working with Prestige, we've really been able to get some transparency on our numbers. One of the big issues that we had was, high accounts receivables. Prestige has helped us really focus on reducing that accounts receivables. And a lot of people, especially in law firms, talk about the big numbers, the big gross revenue numbers. And we've had big gross revenue numbers, but one of the things that they don't focus on is the profits and how much you're taking out of the business personally. One of the things that Prestige has helped me do is really get clarity on increasing that bottom line number, that profit number, so that I can be a much more profitable business, so that I can not only help more clients, but help more team members and build a bigger, better business. Working with Prestige has been different than working with other providers because a lot of, vendors who cater to law firms really want to tell you what you want to hear. Jayden tells you what you need to know. Whether you like it or not, whether it's easy to digest or not, but frankly, it's the type of information that you need to know on a regular basis as to what your numbers look like and what they're really showing you in your business, how much waste is going out the back door, so that you can identify the issues, identify the holes, and plug them.